Service in Gray, Maine has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles until 9:30 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 40-knot winds and isolated waterspouts was located 10 nautical miles west of Newburyport, or 13 nautical miles west of Hampton, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots.
Ooh.
Source, radar. Locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include the mouth of the Merrimack River, Hampton, York, and Portsmouth. This is